temperature 33 degrees. Today is the second day fixing up Houji Guandi Temple. And yep, volunteers are already on the set. Let's check in.
我是 Erwan.
我叫艾玛。
Since a few days, 1 week, and we stay here for 2 weeks in China. My motivation is a very big opportunity for me to be here for my future because I want make dig in China and I want to learn the Chinese language more. So it's a big opportunity for me, and I want to learn the method of restoration here.
I'm an architecture student in Paris, as I said, and I've also done some archaeological digs. But I've never been to any camp here in China, so it's a discovery for me. And I really want to also deepen my understanding in the Chinese culture.
What's your expectation for the next schedule in this activity?
For the next, I really want to go to the roof and help Shifu to work in the roof because it's previous. Normally, we go to the roof for help them. So yeah, I really want to know how they make the roof, you know, because it's a big structure.
Curve shape.
And how they make the dugong. It's very interesting. I really want to know that.
Yeah, me too. Because since the beginning, we haven't touched the roof. So knowing how to place the tiles will be very interesting.
What you have learned in this activity?
We learn a lot of stuff like for the history. In first, we learn about the Ming Dynasty, the residence. We learn a lot of temples are in front of theaters, you know, and it's very interesting because in France it's not the same approach.
Me too, about the history, about the god Guandi was very interesting, and also to know about what method the Shifu use here for the construction and the protection of the patrimony of China. So it's also interesting to work with them, getting to know how they work, also how strong they are, because it's like very heavy work, and we realize that every day because we're very tired day by day.
咱们今天下午有什么新安排吗？
听说法国有人要做法餐，期待一下。
哇，那我们也可以一起来期待一下法国人做的什么样的法餐呢？